there everybody, and welcome back to the Blossom Crochet channel. My name is Rebecca, and if this is your first time visiting, then just take a moment now to subscribe to the channel so that you can keep up to date with all of my videos and things. So I just wanted to do a little chat video really, because I thought it's been a long time since I've done one of these, and I wanted to share the projects with you that I have been doing to keep my hands busy recently. So I've been mainly focusing on Christmassy things. Obviously it's just that time of year, so I wanted to share with you some little gift ones that I've been making. First and foremost, I've been making some little bauble sets. So you can see I've got some in different colours here to show you. And these, obviously there is a tutorial for these beautiful baubles on my channel. So I will leave all of the relevant information in the description box. But I've been making little gift packs of these baubles as presents for people this year. So yeah, so these obviously are to go with different themes, but these are my favourite ones because obviously I just think red and white are just the classic Christmas colours. So these are my beautiful red and white baubles, and I really like the texture that you get in these as well. Obviously these are reversed, so they look slightly different, but they are done with the exact same pattern, and they're really beautiful. And every year when I make these, because I have a set of these on my own tree as well, and I love getting these out each year because they're just so pretty and just that little bit different to have handmade things on your tree. So yeah, I've been making these in little sets of 2 and popping them in little boxes to give as Christmas gifts. I then have the really simple Christmas wreath, which is just a mini wreath, and again there is a tutorial on my channel for it, and I've just popped a loop on this one so that it can be hung on a tree, and it's nice and glittery as well. And I've actually had this one for quite a while now, but it's holding up pretty well. And then we've got the Twisty Wreath as well, and they're wrapped around like this and they look really effective, and then with a pretty bow at the top. So these are all going to be popped onto my tree, and then these ones are my gifts. So they're my Christmassy projects that I've been doing. Like I say, I will leave a link in the description for the tutorials. I haven't got one on the twisted one yet, but there are many different ways to do that. And then secondly, I don't know whether you'll remember, but a while ago I shared some of the Signet Baby DK yarn, which is so beautifully silky and soft, and I got it all in cream because I wanted to make a very simple vintage classic baby blanket. So I've been working this one up and it's looking really beautiful. It's really wonderfully soft in this yarn, and again it is the Anti-Pilling DK Pure Baby by Signet, and this is obviously just shade cream, and it's really working up very delicately and beautiful, and I can't wait to share that one with you once it's done. But just while we were on the topic of the Signet yarn, I also wanted to share with you the Snuffle Bean Black Friday event, because obviously I talk about this every year, but especially this year, I think after the year that everybody has had, I do think it's even more important than ever to support small businesses wherever we can. And obviously Snuffle Bean is a firm favourite of mine to go to, and all of these next yarns that I'm about to show you are available from Snuffle Bean, and they are all included in the Black Friday event. You can actually get a massive 20% off absolutely everything at Snuffle Bean Yarn at the moment. So again, I will leave a link in the description box for you to go across, but just in case you wanted a little bit of inspiration, as I say, we've got the Pure Baby DK, which is so beautifully soft. We've got my all-time favourite whorls. There are so many shades of whorls now, and this is the Melting Macaron shade, and it's again one of my favourite because it's those beautiful pale pastel-y shades. So you could grab yourself a whorl if you've been wanting to try one, then now is the time. Get yourself that 20% off. And then again, these are just for inspiration really. You've got the beautiful Boho Spirit. So there are so many shades of the Boho Spirit. I do actually think this one, the Harmony one, is out of stock, but there's so many others to choose from and they're all just as beautiful. So again, that Boho Spirit, it's perfect for scarves and things. The Boho Spirit, it works up beautifully for lovely lacy scarves. And then again, like I say, I'm just chucking ideas at you just because I can. You could venture into the beaches and cream. So these are so you've got like the Paradise Beaches ones and then you've got the variegated ones. So you can see I've used the solid colours for the border on this blanket. So these are the King Cole yarns. So there's so many beautiful shades, but as I say, this one is the Beaches and Cream shade, and then they also have the matching yarns in the solid shades for your borders and everything like that, and they're really beautiful and silky soft to work with. So again, that's one other one that might hopefully give you some inspiration, and that was just a 12-point star blanket. And then finally, just because I absolutely love the Baby Blossom yarn, I had to share a Baby Blossom yarn blanket just as your little crochet inspiration for the Black Friday sale. Now this is obviously that beautiful grey one with the flecks running through, and it just works up absolutely beautifully. This is obviously a corner to corner granny square. Well, actually this one's a granny rectangle. Again, you can find all of these tutorials on my channel if you wanted to make one of your own. But I absolutely adore the Baby Blossom chunky ones as well. So you can get them in DK, you can get them in chunky, and there's so many beautiful colours. There's pinks, blues, purples, lemon. There's even a buttercup one, which is all of the shades together, which is absolutely beautiful as well. And then anyone that's wondering what I have ordered from Snuffle Bean, I will pop a little picture in the video now. I've ordered some Soft Fun boxes. So I've worked with Shapey's Soft Fun before and they're really nice. A beautiful texture as well, these yarns. And I've ordered the pastel and the rainbow boxes just to try, because it's just something a little bit new. And as soon as they wrap something up in a box and put a sticker on it, it might as well just fall straight into my basket, because I will buy anything pretty much if it's wrapped in a box. So yeah, so we've got my Christmas projects on the go and that beautiful baby blanket. You've got your Black Friday deals at Snuffle Bean at the moment, so do go check that out. And don't forget that on the 1st of December we will be starting the Advent yarns as well. So those beautiful hand-dyed yarns will start to get opened from the 1st of December. I am hoping to do them daily as requested. When I put that poll up, it was massively swinging in favour of having them daily. So I shall try my very best to do that for you. And it's just a little something to look forward to each day, isn't it, really? To see what loveliness is going to be wrapped up in those little boxes. That's my little catch-up video. I really hope that it has inspired you to make your own, maybe some Christmas baubles or something. They don't take long to make at all, and they're really effective and make such beautiful little presents. And I will see you again for another tutorial really, really soon. Bye for now.